Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are exploring ways to earn money by testing apps, you might have come across Beta Family. So in this video, we will dive into what Beta Family offers and whether it's a worthwhile platform for you. So Beta Family is a crowd testing community that connects app developers with testers worldwide. So as a tester, you get the opportunity to try out new iOS and Android applications and provide feedback on user experience. The platform boasts a community of over 9,079. The platform boasts a community of over 1 million testers from 251 nationalities with more than 37,000 plus tests conducted. So this is how it actually works. You will have to just create a free account on the Beta Family website. Afterwards, you need to register your iOS or Android device in order to receive the compatible test invitations. Then you need to access a list of current tests, each detailing the app, testing requirements, and the compensation. And then you need to just submit the applications for tests that interest you. And if selected, you can follow the test instructions and you can use the app thoroughly and provide detailed feedback. After submitting the text report, you will earn the specified rewards. Now let's talk about the earning and the payments. So compensation varies per test. So with some offerings, monetary rewards are other providing non-monetary incentives. So once you have accumulated $50 or more, you can request a payout, which is typically processed within 30 days. Now here are some of the pros of the Beta Family. Like, it is open to the testers worldwide and you can choose the tests that fit your interest and schedule. And it is also trusted by over 7,200 companies, including notable names like King. Now here are some of the considerations that you need to keep in mind. Like, not all the applicants are chosen for every test. Income isn't consistent because it depends on the test availability and selection. And you need to must reach $50 before actually requesting a payout. Now, in a nutshell, I can say that Beta Family offers a legitimate avenue to earn by testing the applications, especially if you enjoy exploring new applications and providing feedback. However, it's essential to understand that this isn't a path to the substantial income. Like, if you are seeking more consistent and significant earnings online, you can consider exploring other opportunities. And for those who are interested in a more reliable way to generate income from home, I have found a method that has worked well for me. And if you would like to learn more, you can just click the link in the description below to access a free masterclass detailing this strategy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.